Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. And I've been trying to make this video a couple times, and I just keep getting notifications and so forth. So that's why I just put it on airplane mode for right now, so I won't get disturbed here and then have to delete this video again. Anyway, so I don't know exactly what we're going to make the title, but I'm going to show you how to make or how to save 57 cents a gallon of gas once a week. So you're basically be filling up your whole tank. So I mean, you don't have to do that, but that's just the best way to, make the most of this. So as you can see on the screen, I have two apps in the middle of the screen: OnMyWay and Gas Buddy. Now I have links in the description, and you are going to want to use those links. So when you use the link for OnMyWay, you will receive $100 of OnMyWay money to spend. So, and that's basically just for their offers. So, like, they call it OnMyWay cash. So it's not like real cash, but they have some really cool things there, like money off of food, off of restaurants and that kind of thing. And then they have the 50 cents off per gallon of gas, which costs you $10 of OnMyWay cash, which really isn't anything. It's not $10 out of your pocket, so it's free. So make sure you do use the link in the description. The other one is Gas Buddy. Gas Buddy I've had for years, and I have saved hundreds of dollars using Gas Buddy. I mean, it's fantastic. So let's try and make this as simple as possible, right? So you're going to sign up for both. Now, OnMyWay is a much quicker sign up. You click on the link, you make your account, you're pretty much done after that. Now, Gas Buddy is the same way. Gas Buddy will show you gas stations in the area, which one is the least expensive, how much they are, customer reviews and all that kind of stuff. But then they have an option for you to receive a Gas Buddy card. Now, this is not a credit card or anything like that. Basically, all you're doing is receiving a free Gas Buddy card. Okay, and this Gas Buddy card is linked to your checking account. So that gets mailed to you, and you don't have to wait for Gas Buddy. You can start with OnMyWay, but this is just the best way that I have found without having to subscribe to any platform to do this. You don't have to pay monthly fees or anything like that. This is all completely free. So Gas Buddy sends you a card, and then once you have that card, this is how we do it. So, and they'll ask you to make a four-digit PIN, and all you have to do, right? And this is for literally any gas station. It doesn't matter. But obviously we're looking for the least expensive gas. At least I am. So, because gas is getting, really out of control here. So, now, with Gas Buddy, there's an option in the app. I'm not going into it because I know some private information is going to show up. That's why I'm not opening up Gas Buddy. So basically, you find the gas station that you want, and you click on it. And make sure, once you've clicked on that gas station, that at the bottom you click Activate. That gives you more off. That'll give you that 7 cents off per gallon. Just always double check and make sure that it's activated. Before it was automatic, now you have to activate it. So you'll still get money off if you do not activate it, but you won't get the 7 cents off. So anyway, so you drive up to the gas station, you use your Gas Buddy card, put it in, You put in, it'll say enter your driver ID number, and which is, your 4-digit PIN, whatever that is. And then right when you do that, and you're grabbing the handle to pump your gas, then you would record a video. It doesn't have to be long at all. You're basically just giving a shout out to OnMyWay. So this is the part in OnMyWay where it says 50 cents off per gallon. You can redeem once per week, right? Now, what they ask of you is basically saying, when you're on there, like it says, give a shout out to OnMyWay. So you say, whatever, I'm filling up my tank, and I want to give I want to say thank you to OnMyWay for giving me 50 cents off a gallon, right? You don't have to say much more than that, like a 10-15 second video tops, but you want to show when you're done how many gallons you used, because that's going to be one of the questions that they ask, even though someone will peruse the video. So now what OnMyWay does, which is pretty cool. So let's just say you had whatever vehicle you have is a 20-gallon tank, right? So you're getting 50 cents off a gallon. So what they do is they send you, if you had a 20-gallon tank, they send you $10 to your Venmo account. It takes a day or two, but they do send it. And that's it. So you get reimbursed. So, and it's kind of cool, because it's like you can do whatever you want once it's in Venmo. You can send it to somebody, or whatever the case may be, So something that you may, that you never would, the money that you never would have saved can start accruing. So every week, you can make, you can get whatever you want to call it reimbursed, or make roughly $40 to $50 a month by doing this. So, and I did a review on OnMyWay, but long story short, OnMyWay is designed to help people drive safely, so they're not texting if you start texting while you're driving, it shuts off. It will let you use a navigation system, but that's about it. So So now you get that. So you used your Gas Buddy card initially, and that gave you 7 cents off per gallon. And then you recorded your little video with OnMyWay, which you can post wherever: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc., 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 right? Because you have to put a link. And like I said, you have to give OnMyWay a shout out, and you have to put like 2 hashtags in it. No big deal, whatever. It's worth it. It doesn't take long. It takes less than 5 minutes to do that, if that, So, because you have to provide them for the link, because they want to get as much exposure as possible. So if you use now, Gas Buddy you can use all the time. You could use it 20 times a day if you wanted to, and you can still get 7 cents off a gallon. OnMyWay will only give you this deal once a week. So that's why I suggest filling up your entire tank doing this. Unless you have some other way, so you don't have to pay for anything to make this. There is a grocery store around here where every $100 you spend, you get 10 cents off a gallon. Now, for some people, some families spend a lot of money, and their points to expire. But I've seen people get like $1.20 off, a gallon. It's crazy. But anyway, not everybody, has that, and not everybody is spending $1,200 a month or whatever, $1,200 a month to get $1.20 off a gallon. So long story short, my example, for 20 gallons, you are getting 57 cents off a gallon. So you get $10 from OnMyWay, and then you get $1.40 from from Gas Buddy. So there you go. So there's 11. So you've saved $11.40 on your fill up, which is huge. So that's a couple gallons right there, depending on where you live. It could be up to 3 gallons for free. So which is definitely very helpful right now, because a lot of people are penny pinching, unfortunately. So okay, let's recap here. The first thing, so you click on the links in the description to make sure you get the $100 from OnMyWay, and then you get the extra money off per gallon, because you might get more than 7 cents off a gallon. I think you might even get 20 to 25 cents off a gallon initially using that referral link. Now from there, you're signed up. You wait for your Gas Buddy card in the mail. Now when that comes in, you drive up to the gas station, you use your Gas Buddy card, you type in your 4-digit PIN, and then you're ready to fill up. That's when you pull out your phone and you start recording, and say, as you're filling up, you don't have to show yourself, you just show the screen where the gallons and the amount are going up and up and up. Just show that, and you just say, hey, I'm using OnMyWay, they're giving me 50 cents off a gallon. What a fantastic application this is. Boom, you're done. That's it. And then 1 to 2 days later, they send you the money via Venmo. And Gas Buddy, what they do is that takes like a day or two to go through, because they'll receive like what the original payment should have been, but they'll take off the 7 cents per gallon. So let's just say it was $40, and you got that, you got that $1.40 off, right? So that would come to what, $38.60. That's what will come through on your bank statement. So it won't come through as the full $40. So with this method, you can use this once a week, save 50 cents per gallon. And like I said, no subscription fees. You're not paying anything weekly, monthly, yearly, biannually, nothing. It's completely free. You don't have to do anything you don't have to purchase anything in order to receive this. So, I hope I explained that relatively well. It's very simple. Just follow the directions. Any questions or comments, I will do my best to reply back to you. So, because I get way too many comments. So, alright everybody, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click on the links in the description to get the $100 from OnMyWay, and then to get up to 25 cents off per gallon from Gas Buddy, at least for your first fill up. I think maybe up to like your first 3. So, but other than that, more money making apps coming very soon. All right, have a good night everybody. Later. Wink wink.